guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see Foxtail reviews. I have bought a few products from Foxtail 2 months back and I think now I'm ready to do the review. The first product I bought is the Foxtail's Oil Free Moisturizer. This is an aqua marine oil free moisturizer which calms and soothes agony. To be honest, when I saw this, I was attracted to its color. When I read oil-free moisturizer, the oily skin girl inside me was like, grab it soon. So that is why I got this moisturizer. This is a gel type moisturizer, you guys. I would name this moisturizer jelly moisturizer than a gel moisturizer because the consistency is slightly thicker than a gel. The fragrance of this is amazing, you guys. It smells like fresh water, fresh aqua, like you're entering into a swimming pool. It smells like that. Weird, but yes, it does smells like that. This moisturizer contains marine algae, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it provides intense hydration. It also plumps up the skin. It does all this in an oil-free moisturizer, which really impressed me. Niacinamide soothes and calms irritated skin like acne. It controls excessive oil production. The texture and the consistency of this moisturizer is love. It feels like jelly, it is bouncy to touch, it applies very smoothly onto the skin and blends like a dream. Moving on to the next product, which is the Foxtail's Niacinamide Serum, which is my favorite product for today. This serum is called the Game Changer Satin Matte Niacinamide Serum, which is basically a niacinamide serum which blurs pores instantly and it is oil free too. The reason I bought this serum is because it said it is a satin matte niacinamide serum. I bought this product to experiment and to my surprise, you guys, it blends like satin and gives a matte finish. That's why they named this as Satin Matte Serum. Yes, it does feel satin on your skin, like you have applied a velvety textured serum on your skin. This texture is similar to a makeup primer. It is so smooth and blends super quick. Niacinamide reduces redness and inflammation, making it suitable for acne-prone and sensitive skin. It minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores, giving the skin a smoother texture. It promotes a smoother and more even texture by reducing roughness and improving overall skin health. Again, Foxtail just did justice with this beautiful packaging that comes in a light purple shade which looks so beautiful on my vanity. Next is this Foxtail's 2-in-1 cleanser. This product acts as a cleanser as well as a face mask. This is something unique that I came across. It works as a cleanser, also as a face mask. How you can use it? For a cleanser, you can apply it just like any other face wash. Apply it and rinse off with water. As a face mask, you need to apply this onto your face, leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse off with water. I use this as a face mask every time. This is called the Foxtail, the Bright Side Purify and Glow Weekday Cleanser plus Weekend Face Mask. During the weekdays, you can use this as your face cleanser and during the weekend, you can use this as a face mask, meaning that only once a week or like twice a week, you can use this as a facial mask. This one has a French pink clay in it, which gently removes impurities, toxins and pollutants from the skin without stripping it of natural oils. It provides mild exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and promote a smoother and more radiant complexion. The texture of this product is thick and gooey, which makes it fun to use, easy to apply and so very convenient. The next product is this Foxtail's Acne Control Face Wash. This face wash is super lightweight and I would say this is such a good dupe for the Sebamed face washes. This face wash is super lightweight, you guys, so it is perfect for acne prone and sensitive skin types. This face wash contains salicylic acid, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. All these ingredients are targeted for oily skin type. Salicylic acid is a BHA acid that gently exfoliates the skin, removing the dead skin cells and preventing clogged pores. It penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve excess oil, to keep them clear and reduce the likelihood of breakouts. And I absolutely love the fragrance of this one. The last product is this Foxtails Green Tea Soothing Gel. This is similar to aloe vera gel that we use. It is lightweight and non-sticky and slightly cooling on the skin. I use this particularly before a makeup as a moisturizer. And for summers, this is my only moisturizer. It has green tea extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in it. This is super lightweight and I would say this is a must buy for oily skin girls. You can use this as a moisturizer after your serum and before your sunscreen. This is super lightweight and just perfect for layering up. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and nothing is sponsored in this video. All of these products I bought it from my own money. So yeah, I will leave the links in the description box, and if you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care.